In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix HubSpot error status issues step by step. If you've been seeing random errors in HubSpot, like pages not loading, workflows failing, CRM glitches, or a generic error status message, don't worry. Most of the time, this is something you can fix yourself in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through the most common causes and the fastest solutions. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes and tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first and most common cause of HubSpot error status issues is permissions. HubSpot often shows generic errors if your user account doesn't have the correct access enabled. To check this, go to the top right corner and click on Settings. From there, navigate to Users and Teams. Find your user profile in the list and click on it. Now, carefully review your permissions. Make sure you have access enabled for CRM, marketing, workflows, sales, reports, and chat flows. If any of these are turned off, switch them on. After updating permissions, refresh the page and check if the error is gone. A lot of the time, this alone fixes the issue. If the problem continues, the next step is to check whether HubSpot itself is down. This is actually one of the most common fixes. Open a new tab and go to status.hubspot.com. This is HubSpot's official status page. If you see a red indicator showing a major outage, then the issue is not on your side. You'll simply need to wait until HubSpot restores service. If you see a yellow partial outage, that means certain tools like workflows, email, or CRM may be temporarily unavailable. If everything shows green and operational, then the issue is likely on your end, so move on to the next step. Now let's talk about browser extensions. Extensions can interfere with HubSpot scripts and cause loading errors. In Chrome, type chrome://extensions in the address bar and press Enter. Go through your installed extensions and temporarily turn off tools like AdBlock, uBlock, Ghostery, cookie blockers, script blockers, and any VPN extensions. Once you've disabled them, refresh HubSpot and see if the error disappears. If it works, you've found the culprit. Another very common fix is clearing your browser cache and cookies. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Choose Cached Images and Files and Cookies, then click Clear. After that, completely restart your browser and reopen HubSpot. Cached data often causes strange behavior, especially after updates. If you're still seeing the error, try opening HubSpot in a different browser. Test it in Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. If it works perfectly in another browser, then the issue is isolated to your original browser configuration, extensions, or cache. Next, try logging out and back in. Click your profile picture in HubSpot and select Log Out. Then go to app.hubspot.com/login and sign back in. This refreshes your session and can resolve authentication-related errors. And finally, restart your device. It sounds simple, but restarting clears background processes, cached memory, and network issues that might be interfering with HubSpot. So to quickly recap, check your permissions, confirm HubSpot isn't down, disable extensions, clear your cache and cookies, try another browser, log out and back in, and restart your device. One of these steps will almost always fix HubSpot error status problems. If this video helped you fix your HubSpot error, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.